So here's what people have to remember. Everyone is flush with cash right now, and they want to spend it. People are freaked out about inflation, therefore they want to also spend their money.
Yeah.
And a lot of markets where people normally were buying, like Los Angeles, New York City, with all the rent control legislation, they don't want to buy there anymore. So we've had a lot of clients sell apartment buildings here. And I just closed a huge deal. I sold like 10 buildings for a guy here in like the Hollywood area. And I sold him a 250 unit building in San Antonio, brand new building at about a 4.25 cap. And the deals he sold in LA were about 4 caps. So his cash flow really wasn't better at all. But he just wanted to get out of LA. He wanted to get out of California. That is why prices are higher in areas that typically are value areas like Texas and Phoenix, because of all the money streaming out of these coastal cities that want to get out of the issues that these blue states are having. They're just free.
Isn't that interesting? Because I mean, you look up San Francisco. There was an op-ed piece in the Wall Street Journal just the other day about San Francisco and just how crazy that district attorney is up there.
Well, the people don't want to buy up there either. Yeah, it's just people just don't want to buy in these rent controlled areas anymore. They're afraid of it. They want to go to the blue states. There's no state income tax in Florida and Texas. And I mean, you think Phoenix is bad? You should go see what's going on in Florida with cap rates. It's just blows your mind.
You know what Milton Friedman said about there are 2 ways to destroy a city: strafe bombing and rent control.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah.
It's true. You'll see it live out. It's especially up in San Francisco and those other, like what they just did up in, I think it was Milwaukee. I think Milwaukee just put in institute of rent control in one of the cities, Milwaukee or St. Paul. I get them mixed up, but one of my clients was explaining it and saying that they're already trying to figure out ways around it. The legislators are already trying to figure out ways around it because developers are pulling out.
Yeah,
they're saying, okay, forget it.
Well, it doesn't work. I mean, it's like you get people that make $200,000 living next to someone who makes $20,000. I mean, should they both have the same rent control limits? No, but the governments don't know how to figure something out. When we pay taxes, it doesn't work that way. I mean, people who make more money have a different rate than the people who make no money, but for some reason they want rent control for all, and it doesn't work. It's because these local municipalities they don't have the resources to set up rent control on a case-by-case basis, which is the only way it would really be fair. Is you want rent control in your apartment, you have to submit your tax return. And then if you really are low income at that point, we'll give you the benefits of the doubt. I don't know. I don't have an answer for this one. No one does, which is why it's so controversial and why so many people despise it. At the end of the day, it doesn't really help people.
No, it hurts. It hurts the communities.
Yeah, it really does. Yeah, but it seems like socially it's going to be more and more popular moving forward as this kind of
in states like yours.
Well, it's like you said, it's out in Minnesota. I mean, New York has got crazy rent control. I mean, you can't raise rents at all there. It's absurd. I mean, you can have a unit become vacant and you have to gut renovate the unit and you can only raise it like $5 a month. It's like, who came up with this stuff? I mean, AOC, I mean, who's coming up with these laws and how do they?
Oh, these go way back. These go back to the 70s.
But no, they passed new stuff in the last 4 years, which is why that market just got devastated about 2 years ago.